In this video, we're looking at how to publish an animation using Adobe Animate. Once you've finished your animation, you will need to publish it so you can upload to the web or share it with someone else. This process is relatively simple. The way we do it is we go to File on the menu, then we go to Publish. Now, most important thing before hitting the Publish button is to make sure your publish settings are correct. So go to Publish Settings. In here, you have many options, and we'll just go through a couple of them. The two most popular items are the HTML wrapper and the GIF image. The HTML wrapper will basically go and publish it as a HTML document. This is really useful if you want to upload it to a website and have it as an interactive element. So you could have it like as a banner, or you could have it as a some sort of interactive animation inside a website. I will show you today how to export it as a GIF. So GIFs are really useful if you want to make a little animation, such as a meme or some other little video. So what you do first is you select the option you want. So I've got GIF image. And then what you do is you have to then give it a meaningful name. So I'm going to call mine hair versus tortoise race. And then you can select on the folder where you want to save it to. So I'm going to save mine to my downloads folder, press save. And then the match movie is just about syncing, so you don't have to worry about it too much. You've got two different options. If you leave it as static, it won't be animated. It's really important you select animated. You can have it on a loop if you want to loop it continuously, or you can have it loop so many times. So if you only want it to happen one time, we press the repeat one time. And then the smoothing is just a tool that will smooth any jagged edges. I do suggest that you turn it on. Then what you do is you go down, you select OK. Then all you need to do then is go File, Publish. Once it is published, then we go to the location of where we just saved it to. So here it is here, hair versus tortoise race. You can see it's a GIF file. I double click and run that. And you can see I've got my little GIF animation there with my tortoise versus the hare. And I could then upload that to anywhere on the website, whether it's YouTube or to a message board. If you have any other questions or want to know how to learn more about Adobe Animate, please look at my other YouTube tutorials. Thank you for watching.